What is a robot? A true robot is any machine that can move about and do different tasks without human help. It does not have to look like a human being. In fact, a machine that actually looks and behaves just like a real person is still a distant dream. Remote-controlled machines are not true robots because they need people to guide them. Automatic machines are not true robots because they can do only one specific job. Computers are not true robots because they cannot move, but these machines are still an important part of robotics. They all help to develop the basic abilities of true robots: movement, senses, and intelligence. Enter the robot. The word robot was coined by Czech playwright Karel Čap in his play R.U.R. Rossum's Universal Robots about human-like machines. Robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means hard work or forced labor. Čap wrote the play in 1920, but robot did not enter the English language until 1923, when the play was first staged in London. Basic bits. The simplest mobile robots are made up of several basic units that provide them with movement, senses, and intelligence. This robot moves on electrically driven wheels and uses infrared light for sensing. Its intelligence comes from a tiny 8-main computer housed on the main circuit board. Finished performer when assembled, the basic units form a basic but agile robot left. It can move around by itself and avoid obstacles without human help. It was built to show off the art of robotics at Think Tank, the Birmingham Museum of Science and Discovery, UK, mechanical movie stars. This mechanical woman was one of the first robots in film. She was created in the 1927 silent film Metropolis by German director Fritz Lang. Film can make almost anything seem real, and fiction and fantasy have helped inspire the development of robots in the real world. Shear skill. Like most robots used in industry, the University of Western Australia's sheep shearing robot is designed to be flexible. It can safely shear the wool off a live sheep. It needs power to work fast as well as sensitivity to avoid hurting the sheep. Factory workers. Most of the world's million or so robots are not true robots, but fixed arms that help to make things in factories. The arms that weld car bodies led the way for industrial robotics. Cars made this way are cheaper and more reliable than those made by humans, because industrial robots can work more accurately and for longer. With a body packed full of computers, motor drives, and batteries, P2 stood over 1.8 m, 6 feet tall, and weighed in at a hefty 210 kilograms, 460 lb. Humanoid robots, P2, launched in 1996, was the first autonomous independent humanoid robot. Many people think that all robots should look like humans, but robots are usually just the best shape for the job they are built to do. Robots of the future, however, will need to work alongside people in houses and offices, so a humanoid body may be best. Powerful, flexible legs enabled P2 to walk, push a cart, and climb stairs.